So mate.
So here you see first impressions of Windows 2. Windows 2 Paint.
Oh my god.
It's pretty normal, right? Like you're used to a paint program.
Yeah, it's painting.
Yeah. Maybe make an ellipse, or how do you say in English?
What is an ellipse?
This here, the ellipse.
Oh, you mean
I don't know. The circle, let's say circle.
It's the circle of life.
Holy shit. Are there different colors possible or only...
Can you?
I don't know.
What is that?
Don't ask me
It's
that.
the eraser.
It's the eraser.
Eraser, what's that?
This is, I think...
Oh!
Whoa.
Wait. Huh? Huh? Okay.
Okay,
You click
yeah.
on it and then you okay.
They can also maybe make the...
Is that, what does that do? Oh, I see. You can be like.
To make it what?
Yeah.
Cut this out or... Oh, is that a...
That's a copy.
That's a copying
Wait, let
tool.
me try. And what do I do then?
Yeah, but how does it work, right? You need usually to specify what you want to...
Style. What is a strikeout?
Sounds
Is
like
that Hugh Jackman?
strikeout. And the filler is still the same. Made. This is great. Yeah, it definitely is. Maybe try to...
Is there like... There is no color yet, right?
Yeah, probably not, no.
What do you want me to do?
This filler thing.
This the...
Yeah.
We don't do it there.
Yeah!
Oh.
And
Is
now
there like
control
a there is no like Steuerung set.
and edit,
Edit.
and undo. Oh, it's
What
Alt
is
and
it?
backspace.
Ah, that's what it is.
Alt and delete. Alt.
Yeah, Alt.
Does it now work? Alright.
Not really, no.
But I can see it activated the shortcuts.
Yeah, maybe it just doesn't.
So yeah, this is the
Okay.
the awesome Microsoft Paint.
What is up and down?
This is,
Okay, this is just like minimizing.
you know, I'm so impressed that Windows 2 can actually make it normal full screen.
Yeah, it's just like it. It's that easy.
Yeah, it's that easy. Come on, Tim Cook, look at that.
Okay.
But what we all want to see is the reverse C.
Where's reverse C? There it is.
Reverse C. Yeah! Can you believe it? I don't know how it's played. So
Wait, you may only move to a space where the cursor is
across. There is no cross.
I am crossed about
What
this.
is game? When you click on game.
Oh,
Ah.
what is reverse C?
I don't know.
What?
Steve Ballmer didn't quite explain very well what reverse is. He was only so passionate about
I'm
it.
interested what happens when I'm done.
Is this like a minesweeper, like before?
Could this what? Something happened.
Like it makes really no sense when you don't know the rules.
It feels like a minesweeper.
Yeah, but it's kind of an easy minesweeper if it's only this.
Pass. I don't know what I did, but I passed.
There's only one free, so if you click there,
Oh,
lost by 10.
No.
Or maybe, yeah.
And you can even voice it.
Holy shit! Maybe it's about
reverse.
maybe it's about that you have more points or so than the other computer.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. So let's look at Microsoft Write.
Where is that?
The very last in the list.
Oh, right, it's on the right. Oh.
This is like the Microsoft
Yeah,
Word.
What can I do? Let's search.
You can find stuff in this? Holy
Wait,
shit.
Wait, let me try that. Wait, can I?
No, I'm really impressed that you actually can find here.
So let's try that.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah.
Can I do find and replace? I saw that also.
Where did you see that?
I need to get out of this window. And when you go here to search, no, forget it. Sorry.
Character. What is a superscript?
I don't know. Superscript.
Okay.
So you can also maybe enlarge font, and you can have different fonts also.
Free fonts.
Now click at fonts. There are more, I think. Like
where's fonts?
in the very last.
Ah, there.
Oh, 3!
Fonts. Yeah.
Holy shit! Make it bigger, mate.
Let's go to. I can go to 12. Wow.
And the other one, maybe write it in. I don't know. Whoa.
Yeah, it will.
And now save it.
Why is it like so?
I think it's a driver problem.
Okay.
Its hardware is just not
Save
compatible.
as. Mate. Yeah.
And it saved it as .wre, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Alt 14, right?
Alt F4, yeah. Normal. Yeah.
Yeah, it works.
Holy shit! Now it should be
Okay.
here, mate. How did your?
Mate, I called it mate.
It's not here. Maybe click on C, like on this.
On this one.
Because
one?
this is this is the drive C and this is the floppy
I
drive.
see.
And there is
Mate,
mate.
there is mate. That will do it.
This is how you navigate in Windows 2.
Yeah, this is how you do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was.
What
Yeah.
is Roman?
Cannot find.
Spooling.
Okay.
Do this!
Do this.
To shop for the.
What? Take car in for tune up.
Talk to.
What? Is that like an example thing? Like a to-do list
Yeah.
thing?
How much?
How much?
Guess.
Oh, this is so retro.
Yeah. What is Win.com? Huh? Ah, with that you open the executor.
Oh.
No, but what? Troubleshooting. What is if I close both? Okay.
You will enter
Okay.
it. Because it's only a program,
yeah.
basically.
What is card file?
Oh, you can make your own card.
I see.
Right, Steve Barber, mate. No.
Oh, there's no control.
Control S.
I'm so used to.
Yeah,
that.
me too, yeah. I think that in Windows, yes, web developers, not a valid file.
What?
No, it probably isn't. No.
Why?
Okay. Probably it's too long.
Ah, that could
Like
be.
you
Yeah.
know, that it couldn't process or everything so long.
What is Win 200? Okay.
Binary. No. Okay, program information editor. You also had that in Windows 3.1. I really gotta say though,
Yeah.
I think that now this was released in '87.
Yeah.
I think that the Mac is better than this. I really think
Yeah.
it's more intuitive.
Yeah.
This is like for more professional oriented people.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
But
true. Yeah.
the Mac, like you knew exactly where you had to click because
Yeah.
you have the title bar here with
Yeah,
the Apple
yeah.
logo and stuff, and
It
here
already had like a good layout.
it's
Yeah.
kind of all over the place, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So that is the desktop there.
What do I? And it gets a bit confusing once you.
Yeah, you really need to. I think this isn't so easy as like the old Mac systems from the very first Mac.
For a second, I wanted to make it snap.
You really wanted to.
Yeah.
They introduced that in Windows 7, I think. So that's a little time.
okay.
A notepad readme. Then if you wanted to shut it down, you have
Can
to.
you like?
Whoa, the clock!
Whoa, that works. How big does it? Can you
Full
actually?
screen clock, yeah,
Yeah.
no problem.
You
But
know,
it's kind of
it's
blurry.
funny because this was just like painted. I tell you, someone painted.
Yeah,
this.
look at that, guys.
It's
It's
so simple.
is this even like? You know, this is a.
Yeah.
It's fine though.
Yeah, it's
You
fine.
know.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that the computers didn't have so much power back then. They couldn't implement all that
Yeah.
great features.
About the clock.
1987.
Close.
So
Okay.
yeah, mate, what do you think about Windows
Terminal.
2.03?
This is how the terminal look.
Yeah, very basic.
Very basic. Yeah. So what I think,
Yeah. Yeah. What are your first impressions?
it's kind of remarkable how much was already possible.
Yeah.
I think I expected way more rudimentary than this.
You really did?
Yeah.
I mean, I have to say I was a little spoiled because I already tried it in a VM,
Ah,
you know,
okay,
so I
yeah.
didn't want to kind of
Yeah.
So I let you do this, but so what is your verdict? Is Windows better or Mac from this?
No,
from this?
Mac's better. Just
I would
because when did the dock come in Mac? I guess I have no idea.
The dock
when
in
did it
OS
happen?
10 and like
Okay, so before,
it was a little
yeah,
before.
but anyway, I think like with the taskbar you had at the top,
Yep.
it just was a bit more organized.
And also the old Mac system had like a bar under
Yeah.
here for certain controls.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, now
yeah.
this was I think in OS 7 or so.
Yeah, because if you
System 7.
because
so.
this is great. I mean, this was the new feature, right?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
graphic user interface was
Yeah.
that shit, you know.
Because the thing is, as soon as you open like two things, it starts to get
Gets
really annoying. Like,
It gets a little confusing, yeah. So you know,
Yeah.
operating systems, as you can see, have come a very long way.
oh yes,
It's
definitely.
crazy, yeah. And this was, you know, when you had this in '87, you were the man.
Yeah, you were the man. Yeah. Damn.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
after
appreciate your great software.
yeah, sure, yeah. So
Yeah.
this was a
And-
time travel episode
Yeah,
back in
and
the
read
80s.
War and Peace. I don't know what that is.
War and
But
Peace,
read it.
right, Grandma,
Yeah, write your grandma and buy a present for Batman's mother.
and
Talk
Talk
to
to Fred.
And
Who
take
wrote
out the
that?
guy.
Who wrote that in? You know, nowadays you would never see something like this in an OS.
Yeah, never.
It was-
What does B even mean?
Priority, it's like
It's like A is more important.
yeah,
than
the
B.
phone dentist is only C.
What is a phone? Also,
So you phone the dentist. Phone dentist.
phone dentist.
But apparently for this person it's very important to tune up his car and
Yeah.
to schedule a vacation. So I think there was a, you know, a bit,
I mean,
there
come
were,
on.
there were a little fun there. See that?
Yeah. I mean, you know how much. It's interesting though, because like taking the car for a tune-up is more important than writing.
There you see the priorities of this
Yeah.
developer.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So let's shut Windows 2 down,
Yeah.
and then we'll call this the day. And
So
then
how do you
Yeah.
just close the thing, right?
this one, yeah, and it should say end the session. Yeah,
Yes. And bam.
there it is. We're back in MS-DOS.